Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to rename your hardware devices on the device manager. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to open the device manager. From here guys, you need to select your device which you want to rename. Right click on it and go to the properties. Okay, in the properties, from here go to details tab, and here in the property tab extend this. From here you need to select driver key like this, and here it will show you the value. Just right click on it and click on select all. Once again right click on it and then copy this value. Okay, now close this, close your device manager like this. Now hold Windows key button and then press R. Here you need to type regedit registry edit. You need to open like this, and in the registry edit guys, you need to extend H key local machine, and in the local machine you need to extend system. In the system you need to extend control set 001 and then select enum. As you can see guys, just right click on enum folder and select find, and here you need to paste that value which you have copied like this, and then click on find next. It will find that value, and in the right panel here you need to find out one value friendly name. If the value is not showing, you need to create it manually. Okay, to create that value, right click on blank area, select new, and here you can get the option string value. Just select it and then type this name as it is, friendly only, same as it is you need to type and leave it. Okay, now double click on that value friendly name like this, and here in the value data you need to type your name which you want to rename. Just type here and then click on OK. Now your device name will change on the device manager. Okay, just click on OK and close the registry edit. Restart your Windows PC one time. After restarting you can get the changes. Okay, so this is the easy and very simple method to rename the devices on the device manager. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.